Jagoro mongirore duol no romo chungne kuonde tiegruok mag Tvet e Pachoka indi Laktar Margaret W Mwakima opuoyo mokalo tich makare mabende sirikand kaunti ma Kisumu osetimo mar nyayo tiegruok mag Tvet e kaunti no ero kendo jiwo sirikand counties mamoko okonye medo gero kuonde tiegruok ma kamago eko mondo okonyie chiwo tiegruok makare no rowere kakore jakom mar duol no ero ngire Florence Indende bende ojiwo rowere mondo okaw tiegruok e tijego eko mitimo gi lwedo kendo bende okwayo jonyuol ojiw nyithindgi gi kaw tiegruok ma kamago eko ahinya ewi tije ma itimo kod lwedo.
Let us use our intellectualism. Let us use our skills, our capacities to help the upcoming innovators, our students. We are talking about CBC, and CBC is really rolling down the skills to ensure that our children grow up knowing that you can only grow up using your skills, not to go to the supermarket to buy everything. Ukimuuliza mtoto siku hizi, ukamuuliza je, mboga zinapatikana wapi? Kwa supermarket mami. Just imagine. Mboga tu. Ama viazi vinapatikana wapi? Kwa supermarket. Na atakwambia pia mtoto ananunuliwa katika supermarket.
Implementation of competence-based education and training has placed greater demands to our institutional resources. Madam Chair, as you rightly put it, it is critical that our young ones are able to be taught on how to work with their hands. An additional skill, one or two, is very key progressively, especially from how we are seeing our country developing. And so therefore, the CBC curriculum is here to stay, and for us, we are ready to be able now to take them to the competence-based education and training, of which as Tvet institutions we always have done, because that is what we have always been known to do. So common strengths, and this we are committed, and this we are doing. I call upon all county governments to continue giving top priority to the development of vocational training in their jurisdiction. Finally, resources from Exchequer are indeed limited, and all Tvet institutions are encouraged to pay gazetted quality assurance fees. It is now my humble pleasure to declare the Tvet Western Region Regional Office officially